Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Equinox is equipped with universal garage door opener and it's not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Garage door opener fuse will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's left foot, just behind this cover. To remove the cover, just pull it straight towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and here you have access to all of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 19, which is a red 10 amp fuse located just here. Now hopefully this fuse will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to look into the garage door opener itself, the switch, or a possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.